In this video, we're going to look at how to highlight the cell that contains the highest number in a range in Excel. In this example, we have a range of values from B3 through to B9, and what we want to do here is to highlight the cell that contains the largest number in this range. To do this, we first need to select the entire data range. So let's go ahead and select range B3 through to B9. Then go to the Home tab and click on the Conditional Formatting option in the Styles group. Then select the new rule, which will display a new formatting rule dialog box. And in the list below, select Format Only Top or Bottom Ranked Values. In the drop-down field below, make sure you've selected the top option, and in the input field to the right, key in a value of 1. This will apply a formatting condition to the highest number from the selected range. Next, click on the Format button, which will display a Format Cells dialog box. And in there, click on the Fill tab. And then select any of these available colors, or alternatively, click on More Colors for more color options. To keep things simple, let's select this light blue color and click the OK button. This will return us to the new Formatting Rule dialog box, and in there, click the OK button. Great. You can now see that the value of 700, which is the highest value in the selected range, has been highlighted in the nominated color. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.